What is good, my guys and girls of YouTube? It is your boy Justin Omoi here, dying a sweat, but I'm gonna give you a basic vocal comparison, quality comparison between having the audio interfaces built in preamp like this one right here versus going into an actual dedicated hardware preamplifier rack. This one is a Pro MPA 2 2-channel tube microphone amp. This is a Focusrite Scarlett 2i4 2nd generation. It's around for $250. This is the audio interface meant to, convert the audio signals, go into the computer, as well as to help process the sounds to come back into the audio interface so we can hear it. We need it. We need an audio interface. That's a fact. Now, instead of using the built-in one, we're going to use the actual, hardware dedicated to amplifying our sounds. I'm going to show you the quality differences and explain as well why we would want to do something like this. I'm going to start with the explanation. By the way, right now you hear me directly through the audio interface. When I turn this on, I'll show y'all. That's how I'll sound in there. Going on with the explanation, it is best to have a dedicated audio preamp. This is if you want to, go more and more pro when you're good with your skills. But the reason why we would want a dedicated audio interface is to lessen the intensity on this thing right here, this audio interface. Now, what I mean by that is that it has a built-in preamp. It's doing all this audio conversion stuff. We don't want to deal with all that. And of course, because it does have all these little chipsets to go into the computer, it's going to be electrical interference. We may sound weird, sound different. Like, for example, if I boost this all the way up, you can hear that my voice kind of sounds different. It's like loud here, but yeah, I'm going to almost, I'm around the 0 dB if you see over here on the waveforms. It's basically raising up the input, it's raising up the amp, the intensity, the electric, and there's other components that could deal with it. Thankfully, this is a good audio interface, so it does help with that. Not much electric noise. Instead of giving electricity, the 48 power volt that we need for the microphone, instead of raising up the amp, the intensity, we could lower this down and use a dedicated source that its job is to amplify the sound, and have a lower input like over here, so we don't have that electrical interference and have a better, clear sound. And yeah, like I said, it's not bad. This audio interface right here, it got my friend millions and millions of plays. Quality's perfect. I mix and master people's music. Alright, so you've been hearing me the whole time with the interface like directly in. I'll give you some tests. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yo. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and switch into this little amplifier here, or not little, it's big, it's freaking big, but yeah. Alright guys and girls, I've connected the microphone to go into the amp and then the output going into here, the first. As you see, the phantom power is not on in the audio interface. That means we'll have less of a electrical noise or interference, or just having work done in the audio interface. Everything's going in this now for the amplifying the sound to raise up the signal. We need electric to raise it up, But yeah, does it sound a bit different? Maybe. Yeah. If you don't have a trained ear, or if you can't hear this greatly enough, if you're just beginning, you may not hear much of a difference. But if you have been listening for a while, if you play this back over and over compared to 2 tracks that I'm about to do, it'll sound, different. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yow. You're A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Does it sound different? Does it sound better? Does it sound that different? What is your thoughts? I need a shower. I'm sweaty. I'm drenched. Blech. So thumbs up the video if you enjoyed this. Subscribe to your boy Justin Omoi if you want to see more in the future when I do upload, put more videos out. My name is Justin Omoi. And with that said, peace. I'm out.